Ever wonder how Google AdWords can transform your service business in 2024? Well, you're in the right place. Google AdWords, now known as Google Ads, is a powerful tool in the digital marketing landscape. It's been around since the year 2000, growing and evolving over the decades to match the ever-changing digital world. It all started with a simple idea: connecting businesses with potential customers at the exact moment they're ready to make a purchase. Fast forward to 2024, and Google AdWords has become a sophisticated platform, offering a plethora of features to help businesses reach their target audience effectively and efficiently. From keyword targeting to ad extensions and machine learning to audience segmentation, Google AdWords has transformed the way businesses advertise online. So, understanding Google AdWords is indispensable for your business growth. What is PPC and why should you care? Let's dive in. Pay-per-click or PPC is a type of online advertising where you, as an advertiser, only pay when someone clicks on your ad. It's like a highway toll. No pay, no play. But how does PPC fit into the broader digital marketing landscape? Well, it's like a turbo boost for your brand visibility. With PPC, you can leapfrog organic search results and land right at the top of search engine results pages. It's a quick and efficient way to get your message across to your target audience. Plus, you have total control over your budget, your target audience, and how and when your ads are displayed. So whether you want to drive traffic, boost sales, or increase awareness, PPC can help. Indeed, PPC is a powerful tool in your digital marketing arsenal. Ready to dive into the fundamentals of Google AdWords? Let's get started. First off, understanding the account structure of Google AdWords is crucial. It's like a well-organized closet. At the top, you have the account, under which you have campaigns, followed by ad groups, and finally, the ads themselves. Each level offers a different degree of control and flexibility. Your account is your main hub. Your campaigns align with your broad business goals, ad groups are more specific, and ads are where you deliver your message. Organizing your account effectively can improve your efficiency and help you reach your goals more effectively. Now, let's talk about keywords. These are the lifeblood of any PPC campaign. They're the terms and phrases that potential customers use to find your products or services on Google. If you choose the right keywords, your ads have a better chance of appearing in front of the right people at the right time. So how do you find these magical keywords? It's all about research. Start with brainstorming. Think about what your customers might type into Google. Then, use tools like Google's Keyword Planner to find new ideas and see how often those terms are searched. Remember, you're not just looking for the most popular keywords. You want to find the ones that are most relevant to your business and have the right balance of competition and search volume. In 2024, there are also AI-powered tools available that can help you uncover hidden keyword gems and predict future trends. These tools can save you time and make your keyword research more effective. Master these fundamentals and you're well on your way to PPC success. How do you decide what to bid on Google AdWords? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Let's dive right into it. When it comes to bidding in Google AdWords, you've got a variety of options. You can go for cost per click, CPC, cost per 1,000 impressions, CPM, cost per engagement, CPE, or cost per conversion, CPA. Sounds like alphabet soup, doesn't it? But don't worry, we'll break it down. CPC is where you pay for each click on your ad. This is great if your main goal is to drive traffic to your website. CPM, on the other hand, is where you pay for 1,000 ad impressions regardless of clicks. This can be a good strategy if brand awareness is your primary objective. CPE is an interesting one. Here, you pay when a user interacts with your ad in a certain way, such as expanding a lightbox ad. Lastly, CPA is where you pay for conversions, like a purchase or a sign-up. This is perfect if your end goal is to get users to perform a specific action on your site. Now, how do you choose the right bidding strategy for your goals? Well, it all comes down to understanding what you want to achieve with your campaign. If it's website traffic you're after, then CPC might be your best bet. If it's brand awareness, then CPM could be the way to go. If you're all about user interaction, then CPE is your friend. And if it's conversions you're chasing, then CPA is your golden ticket. But remember, choosing the right bidding strategy is just the first step. You need to constantly monitor and adjust your bids to ensure you're getting the most bang for your buck. You might start with a CPC strategy, but realize that a CPA strategy is delivering better results. That's the beauty of Google AdWords. It's all about testing, learning, and optimizing. And one more thing, don't forget about automated bidding. Google's smart bidding strategies like target CPA or maximize conversions use machine learning to optimize your bids for you. It's like having a super smart assistant who's always on the ball. Remember, a smart bidding strategy is key to maximizing your return on investment, so go forth and bid wisely. How are machine learning and automation revolutionizing Google AdWords? In the dynamic world of 2024, machine learning and automation have taken center stage in Google AdWords. These technologies enable advertisers to optimize their campaigns efficiently, freeing up valuable time to focus on strategic decisions. Machine learning algorithms dive deep into the data, analyzing patterns and trends that might be invisible to the human eye. They can predict which keywords will perform best, suggest bid adjustments, and even generate compelling ad copy. Automation features, on the other hand, can execute these recommendations at scale, ensuring your campaigns are always at the peak of performance. But that's not all. Google AdWords has evolved to offer advanced targeting options that allow you to reach your audience like never before. You can target based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and even life events. This granularity enables you to tailor your ads to resonate with specific segments of your audience, boosting engagement and conversion rates. Strategies for audience segmentation have become more sophisticated as well. For instance, you can create separate ad groups for different segments, each with tailored ad copy and keywords. This ensures that your ads are relevant and appealing to each segment, enhancing your overall campaign performance. As you've probably noticed, the role of ad extensions has grown significantly in 2024. These are additional pieces of information that you can add to your ads to make them more enticing. There are several types of ad extensions available, each serving a unique purpose. Location extensions, for instance, are perfect for local businesses, as they show your business address, phone number, and a map marker. Call extensions allow your audience to call you directly from the ad, which is great for businesses that rely on phone calls. If you have an app, you can use app extensions to drive downloads. And if you have specific selling points or offers, structured snippet extensions can highlight them in your ad. The key to using ad extensions effectively is to choose the ones that align with your business goals and audience preferences. You should also regularly review and optimize your ad extensions based on performance data. Leveraging these advanced features can give your campaigns a significant boost. So, as we journey further into the digital age, remember that success in Google AdWords is not just about mastering the basics, it's also about staying ahead of the curve, capitalizing on the latest features and strategies. Whether it's machine learning, automation, advanced targeting, or ad extensions, each has a role to play in shaping the future of your AdWords campaigns. And remember, the power of Google AdWords lies in its flexibility and depth. So don't be afraid to explore, experiment, and evolve your strategies. After all, the only constant in digital marketing is change. What makes an AdWords campaign effective? Well, it's a blend of art and science, really. Let's start with the art. Ad creation and optimization. The magic here lies in crafting compelling ads that not only resonate with your audience, but also prompt them to take the desired action. Remember, your ad is essentially a conversation with your audience, so make sure it speaks their language. Use persuasive, benefit-driven copy and ensure your call to action is clear, compelling, and easy to follow. Testing is also critical. A/B testing, where you compare two versions of an ad to see which performs better, is a powerful way to refine your ad copy and visuals. Test different headlines, body copy, images, and calls to action to find the mix that delivers the best results. But remember, only test one element at a time to ensure you can accurately attribute any changes in performance. Now, on to the science. Landing page optimization. Your landing page is where the conversion happens, so it needs to be as effective as your ad at convincing visitors to take action. Here are a few tips for landing page optimization. First, ensure your landing page is relevant to your ad. If your ad promises a free ebook, for example, your landing page should deliver on that promise. Second, make sure your landing page is easy to navigate and visually appealing. A clean, uncluttered design with clear, concise copy can go a long way in improving your conversion rate. Third, include a strong, clear call to action on your landing page. Whether you want visitors to sign up for a newsletter, request a quote, or make a purchase, make sure it's obvious what action they should take and easy for them to do so. And finally, just like with your ads, test different elements of your landing page to find what works best. This could include the headline, body copy, images, layout, and call to action. An effective campaign is the result of careful planning, creative execution, and continuous optimization. So, take these tips and use them to create and refine your own AdWords campaigns. Good luck. How do you know if your AdWords campaigns are successful? The answer is through diligent tracking, analysis, and adaptation. Let's dive into it. Firstly, setting up conversion tracking is crucial. This feature allows you to measure specific actions taken by visitors, such as making a purchase, filling out a form, or even just spending a certain amount of time on your site. So, how do you set it up? In your AdWords account, you'll navigate to the Conversions section. Here you can create new conversions, define what actions you consider as conversions, and even assign different values to different actions. Once your conversion tracking is in place, it's time to start analyzing your return on investment, or ROI. This is where the magic happens. By comparing the cost of your campaigns to the value of your conversions, you can see exactly how much you're earning for each dollar spent. You can see what's working, what's not, and most importantly, where you can make improvements. But don't stop there. By integrating AdWords with Google Analytics, you can gain even deeper insights. This integration allows you to see not just who clicked on your ads, but what they did once they reached your site. Did they browse other pages? Did they return later? Did they make a purchase? These insights can help you fine-tune your campaigns and your website to better meet your customers' needs. And finally, let's talk about key metrics. While there are many metrics you can monitor, some of the most important include click-through rate or CTR, cost per click or CPC, and conversion rate. Your CTR tells you how often people who see your ad end up clicking on it, while your CPC tells you how much each of those clicks is costing you. Your conversion rate, on the other hand, tells you how often those clicks lead to conversions. By keeping an eye on these metrics, you can continually optimize your campaigns for maximum success. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. So make sure you're taking full advantage of these tools and metrics to measure the success of your AdWords campaigns. How can you stay ahead of the curve with Google AdWords? Staying updated is not just an option, but a necessity in the ever-evolving world of digital advertising. Google AdWords, for instance, rolls out new features and updates regularly, each designed to enhance your PPC management strategy. So make it a habit to keep your fingers on the pulse of these advancements. To help you in this, there are numerous resources available. From Google's own blog posts and updates, to online forums and communities where fellow advertisers share their experiences and insights. And while we're on the topic of changes, let's not forget the emerging trends in PPC and digital advertising. From voice search optimization to increased automation, the future holds exciting possibilities. Remember, the key to mastering AdWords or any other digital marketing tool lies in your ability to adapt. Stay agile and keep learning to make the most of Google AdWords. Let's wrap up what we've learned today. From the basics of Google AdWords and the importance of pay-per-click advertising, we've taken a deep dive into the world of digital marketing strategy. We've explored the structure of an AdWords account, the significance of keyword research, and the various bidding strategies one can employ. We've also delved into advanced features like machine learning, automation, audience targeting, and ad extensions. We've discussed how to create compelling ads, optimize landing pages, and measure success through conversion tracking and ROI analysis. We've also stressed the importance of staying up to date with AdWords features and preparing for future changes. Now, it's time to apply these strategies and insights to your own campaigns. Remember, mastery comes with practice and continual learning. To further your education, we recommend resources like Google's own Learning Center and industry blogs. Now you're ready to master Google AdWords and take your service business to new heights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights.